Hello, I'm Dr. Spencer Jefferies. I'd like to take a moment to address the influences surrounding the current situation that we're in, and also to discuss a simple method to help restore some balance. Fortunately, the lockdown has been lifting and some normalcy is being reintroduced. This is a tremendous relief for many. However, the reality is that things now are different than they were before the pandemic. Many of us went into this expecting to wait it out and then go back to the lives that we knew. Sadly, our world has undergone some long-lasting changes that invite all matter of speculation and prediction. But right now, many have lost jobs, had incomes reduced, or even had friends or family become ill. Many people are experiencing stress, worry, anxiety about job stability, being able to provide for family, and whether loved ones will be okay. Many have also experienced loss. This can be either a job or having lost a friend or a family. There's a very natural tendency in these situations to become overwhelmed by fear or grief. And things may seem insurmountable and hopeless, and some of us may be experiencing helplessness like never before. Okay, so that's the downside. What I'd like to do is take a moment to talk about a simple exercise that can keep us from getting swept away in all of this doom and gloom. Now, please keep in mind, this is not meant to act as a distraction or to downplay the seriousness of our struggle. What often happens is that our minds become so fixated on the things that are going wrong that we tend to live in that space. This generally just leads to greater feelings of despair. To give yourself more balance, take even just a minute or two and deliberately come up with 3 things that you're grateful for. These can be the people in your life, or your health, or even the simple things that we tend to overlook, like air conditioning, availability of food, or even a comfortable bed. Evidence shows that taking even just a few minutes a day to identify a few things that you're grateful for can have an impact on well-being, which is nice in itself, but it's meant to keep us from being sucked in and living in that state of doom and gloom. It's simply a practical way of stepping back and saying, yeah, there's a lot of uncertainty right now, maybe some worrying or anxiety going on, and there's also some things that I appreciate and I'm grateful for. So even if you've only got a minute or 2 in your day and you're willing to try this out, give it a go and see what happens.